Hey, this is Larry Powell with Top Shelf Growth. Talked to Manny on the phone the other day. He said you guys might be interested in taking a look at this video. I'm going to outline for you guys how you can generate more leads for your business utilizing your website. We're going to look at what your competitors are doing and how you guys can pass them up in the rankings and turn their customers into your guys' customers. So I took a look at your site and kind of went through a couple things before I got started with this video. This is definitely a new one for me as far as how you guys have this set up to begin with your homepage. Really when we're looking at rankings, one of the biggest things we look at is content, right? Words on the page. And so for you guys, with your website, by not having any content on your homepage, I know what you guys were trying to achieve here by having the commercial or the residential side. But by not having any content on your guys' homepage, you guys are really hurting yourselves when it comes to your overall rankings, unless you're putting in a lot of work on your back pages for your website, right? Content is really king. If you look at Wikipedia, for example, right? Wikipedia doesn't do anything to get their website pages to actually rank on the back end of things. But Wikipedia has so much content out there that if you were to search for any search term under the moon, most of the time, Wikipedia is going to be the #1 website that pops up because they're the most authoritative content. They have the most out there. And that's really what Google cares about, is putting the best content or the best search results possible out there for potential searches as people are looking for different things on the internet, okay? Looking at residential, okay? Looking at what you guys have here. Even increasing the amount of content you guys have on this page could really help you guys out. Same thing with the commercial side. You really want to target that 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, or at least at the very least more than what your competition has in order to beat them out in the search results, because you guys want to beat them out in every way possible in order to turn their potential clients into your guys' potential clients. Okay. So I would highly recommend you guys increasing the amount of content you guys have on this homepage. One of the things I was looking at was search terms for you guys and what's going to generate the most search traffic for you with the least amount of effort. Okay, Painter San Jose. This search term is currently getting 700 searches per month. Having your website in this top spot right here can guarantee you about 33% of that search traffic generated or going towards your guys' business, right? So for one search term, focusing on that for that homepage and getting that 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, making sure you have Painter San Jose in that content as well, you can be getting about a little over 200 searches per month headed towards your guys' website. Right now, you guys are sitting at about 110 organic traffic, so 110 people per month headed towards your guys' website. So by just focusing on content alone, you guys could double the amount of search traffic you guys have headed towards your business on a monthly basis, okay? So as we're looking at the search results, there's a couple things we see here. Everybody's used Google, but I like to give you guys just a quick rundown as I'm filming these videos. So you have paid ads, right? So you have Angie's List paying to businesses up here. You have Thumbtack, Home Advisor, and then you have the Google My Business pages, okay? So Google My Business, there's a couple different ways how you get your business into this top 3, which this is very valuable real estate for your business, right? It is, right? It's digital real estate, right? This is a spot that you guys want to own because, again, this is 33% of the search traffic is headed to the top ranked sites on this page, okay? So there's a couple different factors. The #1 being what's known as citations. And citations is your business name, address, and phone number listed on directory sites like Yelp, Yellow Book, Facebook, right? All of these are directory websites where you can list that information, and the goal here is to have more citations than what your competitors have. Another big factor for how you get your business to rank in here is the organic search results, okay? So looking at the organic search results, we can see Yelp is the #1 website here. We can see Home Advisor is the #2, House, Angie's List. This is a great thing. When I first pull up this site, or when I first pull up this search term and I see this is actually a great sign for you, because Google really prefers to rank the small business owner over these direct competitors, right? Google wants you to be paying. If you're going to be paying to list your website, they want you to be paying them. They don't want you paying Home Advisor. They don't want you paying Yelp. And so if you are doing these things and you're putting quality content on your website, you're going to pass these websites up right here up 90% of the time, right? 99% of the time, sorry. You're going to be passing them up 99% of the time if you're doing the things and you're putting quality content on there that Google thinks people will want to actually look at. And so I would disregard these 100%. Looking at Wow One Day, looking at what they have for their website, we can look at theirs and we can see they have content, right? They're in that 1,000 to 1,500 words. You know, I would probably target 2,000 words on your guys' homepage. Looking at the back end of their site compared to your site, right? So what we're looking at here is we're looking at backlinks. And the best way to describe what a backlink is it's kind of like a high school popularity contest. You have the most popular kid in school, and we'll call him website A. You have the least popular kid in school, and we'll call him website B. And what you guys need to be doing is going out here and linking your site to those website A's, right? Website A is going to link himself to website B, and it's going to bring it up in the popularity and make him look more popular in Google's eyes. And that's what you guys need to be targeting for your website, is getting these high power backlinks, making sure that they're niche relevant, right? If you guys go out and get a backlink to a painting contractor in Oregon, where I'm at, that's going to carry a lot more weight in Google's eyes than if you guys go out and get a backlink to your local Pizza Hut, because you guys aren't slinging pizzas, right? You guys are painting contractors. And so niche relevancy is going to be very big in these. So we can see that you guys currently have 805 backlinks from 127 different websites. Okay, you're ranking for 46 keywords. You're getting 110 search traffic to your site per month. We look at what your competitors are doing. They have 158 backlinks, right? More powerful backlinks because they're going after those niche relevant. They're ranking for 61 keywords, and they're getting 401 searches per month to their website, right? Now, if you guys were getting this kind of search traffic, and let's say you were converting 25% of that, that's 100 new customers per month you guys could be generating just by converting 25% of that search traffic towards your guys' website. And there's a ton more opportunities out there for you guys. Looking at the competitors and what the search terms they're ranking for, again, 700 searches per month, right? Interior painting San Jose, another 60 searches per month. House painting San Jose, 70 searches per month, right? Targeting these search terms that your competitors are going after, you know, house painter San Jose, again, 100 searches per month. Targeting these for your business could be a game changer for you guys that could generate a lot of new search traffic and a lot of new customers. If you guys have any questions on this, I'd love to talk to you more about it. You can reach me on my cell phone at 541-968-7159. You can also respond to the email I'm going to send this video over to if you guys want more information. If you guys also just want to take this information and use it yourself, no harm, no foul, that's totally fine. I would totally appreciate a response to this email, just a little bit of feedback saying, yes, this information was valuable, but we want to do our own thing with it. Or if you want to talk more, again, feel free to respond back to me that. But I hope you guys have a great evening, and I will talk to you later.